Welcome to JMZ News. This just in, a flood has occurred in Eagan, Minnesota. Tell me, John, what causes a flood?
Floods are caused by natural processes such as hurricanes, weather systems, snowmelt, and failure of levees, dams, and inadequate drainage. Floods can occur anywhere at any time. However, they mainly occur by rivers, lakes, and mountains, often at night. Flash floods mainly occur in the USA in neighborhoods or communities. Histories of floods include the following. On March 1913, a regional flood caused by excessive rain in Ohio occurred. It took 467 lives and costed $143 million in damages and repair. On June 14, 1903, a flash flood occurred in Willow Creek in Oregon, with it taking 225 lives. On May 18, 1990, in Turfy, Washington, a mud flood caused by an eruption on Mount St. Helens occurred, with it taking 60 lives. Here, live from the scene with Grimm, telling more information on floods.
Floods are very destructive and bring negative impact, including the loss of life. Some effects are plantation agriculture. It kills crops including rubber, cocoa, palm oil, and rice, which are all crops that can't survive in floods. Floods can sink and wash away homes as well as damage various properties such as electrical goods and vehicles. They also cause diseases because of the human waste in the floodwaters. These floodwaters can spread to other areas, resulting in diseases such as cholera and malaria. Floods can damage the wildlife and landscape. They can destroy and tear away trees, destroying wildlife homes. Floods cause in a year around $6 billion in repair and destruction and take more than 1,000 lives.
Thank you, Grimm, with that important news on floods.
Prepare for floods, you should follow these tips. Construct barriers, including leaves, beams, floor walls, to stop floodwater from entering the building. Learn the safety routes from your home to higher ground. Establish meeting places if split up. Keep life jackets, flashlights, and water bottles around if flood occurs. During a flood, you should listen to radio or television for information. Move to higher ground with warm clothing, a flashlight, a cellular phone, and a portable radio. If you have to leave your home, do not walk through moving water. If floodwaters rise around your car, abandon the car and move to higher ground, if you can do so safely.
This is a packet you can purchase on flood survival tips.
$8.95.
$8.95. With Grimm, as he tells us where floods occur and how they occur.
This unreasonably dry, cool air joins together and forms where most floods occur. This is the convergence zone recurrent thunderstorm system. This is where all the storms happen. This is little rainfall, oppressive heat, and humidity. This is where less of the thunderstorms happen. This over here has high atmospheric pressure area. This has low atmospheric pressure area. This is all called the Berggren process. The Berggren-Findeisser process is the formation of precipitation in the cold clouds of the mid and upper latitudes by ice crystal growth. It is also by mountains, low pressure areas, cold fronts, and even jet streams. This is sun. Warm, moist air rises and meets colder air in the atmosphere. The water vapor condenses and forms precipitation that falls to the ground.
There you have it from John, and Grimm. And we'll see you next time on JM.